Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by placing the SSL EQ on the channel insert and checking levels. Make sure the track peaks near -6 dB to leave headroom. Once done, switch the EQ out of bypass for a single band and pick a musical frequency to test. Use a low Q for broad tonal shaping and a narrow Q for surgical cuts. This helps you hear cause and effect immediately. Listen in context with the mix, not solo, so your decisions translate to the whole session. Now you move into detailed shaping. Sweep a bell band with modest boost to locate offending or pleasing frequencies, then invert that move by cutting instead of leaving a big boost. Once found, tighten or widen the cue for musicality, wider for presence, narrower for resonance removal. If transients misbehave, route a dynamic or parallel band to tame peaks without killing energy. Make sure to compare bypassed and processed versions frequently to confirm improvement, and automate changes for different sections. Finish by balancing the process track with a small output trim and check in mono to verify phase coherence. Once done, a /B against a reference at similar loudness so you judge tone, not level. If you hear phasing or a hollow sound, make sure overlapping boosts are reduced or convert to narrower QS. Alternatively, try the plugin's linear phase option. And if frequencies bounce around, automate band gains per section. This keeps clarity while preserving dynamics and energy in the final mix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.